Hey, what's going on, everybody? Coach Mohar back with another triple play body activity from the Cumming Elementary School for the Boys and Girls Club. So today's tutorial, we're going to be teaching you guys all about push-ups. So there's actually a lot of different various correct ways to do push-ups, but I'm first of all going to show you a general form of how to do it. So one thing you want to do is you want to make sure your head is straight, not down or to the side when you do your push-ups. Straight head. You also want to make sure that your back is flat. So no arching your back this way or like this to make it easier. You want to make sure your back completely flat. And then for your actual push-up, there's two different ways you can actually do it. It's kind of debatable which way to do it. One way acts with your biceps more and your chest, and it's 90-degree angle like this. Make sure your arms go in an L. And the other way is with the triceps, you go straight down. So this is the 90-degree angle way, and this is the tricep way. Now, of course, that's the general form for push-ups. There's a lot of ways that you can do push-ups, though. A lot of different easier to harder ways. I'm going to show you each way that I've found from easiest to hardest, and I want to challenge you all to go down this line and see which version of push-up you can do until you finally run into your hardest version. And then you got to keep practicing that version until you can do it. Then you got to move on to the next version. So the first easiest version, aside from just putting your feet against the floor and then your hands against the wall and pushing, because everyone should be able to do that. The easiest version would be incline push-ups. So this way you can actually go all the way down, but of course gravity isn't fighting you as much. Feet on the ground makes it a lot easier. After that, you have knee push-ups, so your gravity is a little bit increased as the incline is increased as well. After the knee push-ups, of course, you have normal, just your standard push-up. After your standard push-up, one thing you can have is your fist push-ups. And then, of course, from there, you can go into triangle push-ups. This is where it starts getting really difficult. And then fingertip push-ups, even more difficult. After that, it starts getting kind of debatable which kind of push-ups are harder. But going back to the chair, remember when we did incline push-ups this way, we can do decline push-ups, and now gravity is actually working against you, so it's harder than the normal push-up, kind of the opposite of what we did earlier. After that, it's your standard clap push-up, and then of course the double clap push-up. Then one of the hardest versions, the one-handed push-up. This is really difficult. And finally, you have the handstand push-up. So I would say this is the most difficult kind of push-up. Your gravity is 100% against you. No kind of angle to help you out at all. It's just all about strength. And just like that, that's all the push-ups. Good luck, y'all.